Friends, Aristotle, a Greek philosopher born in 384 BC, had said, "Be a free thinker and do not accept everything as a truth," meaning that we should not trust any such information just because many people believe it to be so. Meaning your own way of seeing this world, there should be a different viewpoint, and this viewpoint of yours will be called your philosophy and absolutely relevant to today. In this I will tell you what philosophy is and how important it is for us. We will talk about it at the academic level, but before that we will understand how philosophy works at the ground level in real life. So let's start. Have you ever had a thought in your mind that what is the purpose of my life? Why am I born on this earth? Does God exist in this world? And so on. This type of thought of yours is called thought about philosophy. Do you know the first book of science? Who wrote it and what was the name of that book? Many people believe that the Greek philosopher Aristotle wrote the first book on science named On the Heavens, and this book was written around 350 BC. Meaning we can say that the seed of the plant of science was planted by philosophy. Apart from science, he was an early contributor to many subjects of humanity and social sciences. He was a philosopher. This means that Sanskrit language is such an ocean of languages that it can maintain its existence even by creating many languages within itself. Similarly, we can call philosophy as the path of subjects through which other subjects will have to pass. Every person present in the world is a philosopher. He has his own philosophy. It is possible that his philosophy may be influenced by someone else when a person thinks about his life and existence, or he does deep thinking on some issue and develops a set of ideas or beliefs which is his own. Then we call him a philosopher, like Gautam Buddha, Swami Vivekananda, Mahatma Gandhi, etc. And when people read them, so we can understand what was his perspective of seeing the world. Like Lord Krishna's philosophy is Srimad Bhagavad Gita, which has taught many people how to live life. Now let us know how philosophy is taught at the academic level. Basically, philosophy is a way of understanding this world. It is a study whose four pillars are theoretical philosophy, in which metaphysics and epistemology are studied. What is our place in the universe? Does this world really exist? Does God exist? What is consciousness? How do we create knowledge? What is the truth of knowledge? What is the purpose of the knowledge we want to acquire? Such questions. After theoretical philosophy, practical philosophy. In this section of philosophy we read about the social and political side of philosophy. Apart from this, we also understand ethics, which you can also call moral philosophy. This works for us like an informal education along with the formal one, because it talks about behavior and norms. Apart from this, which studies are you also told about? They are solved so that your decision-making ability improves. Apart from this, political theory is also a part of this anyway. In most of the universities and colleges, philosophy is taught as a single subject, but in Sweden and Finland, these two sections of philosophy are taught separately. And not only this, but these two subjects have different degrees. Friends, if you are one of those people who do not know anything about philosophy, and just out of curiosity, you want to understand it and want to know the basic things about it, then I will suggest you a book, whose name is Philosophy 101. If you want to buy it, I have given its link in the description below. This book is for beginners who really want to understand the basics of philosophy. Friends, philosophy is the mother of all subjects, because any big theory or project starts with a thought, and your thought is your philosophy. Right, friends, this was the section in which we understood philosophy, its basic structure. Understood. I hope you have understood everything clearly. If you want to go into details, then go to the description below and buy that book. Apart from this, please do let me know how you like this video by commenting below. Thank you all for watching this video.